Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to week 11. This is your lesson number 2 in which we have started unit 9 linear equations. In this unit you will be able to define and recognize and form algebraic equations. Let's see the definition of equation. What is an equation? So when an algebraic expression is put equal to another expression or number, then it is called an equation. When an algebraic expression, so let's see what is an expression. You have studied expression in unit 8. An expression is a combination of constant and variables connected by the signs of fundamental operations. For example, we have an expression, let's say x plus 3y, right? So this is an expression where we have x and y as variable. 3 is the coefficient of y, and x and 3y are two terms connected by sign plus. So now this expression is changed to equation when we put this equal to another expression or number. Let's say we say that this expression is equal to 9. So that's it, how you make an equation. When you equate an expression to another number or another expression, then it is called equation. Let's see the second example of an equation in which we have an expression 2 plus a which is equal to number 5. So this is an equation where we have an algebraic expression that is 2 plus a and it is equal to another number. Third example, 10 minus b. 10 minus b is also an expression which is equal to 46, and this whole with equal sign is making it an equation. Now, in these examples, a, b, x and y are called variables or unknown quantities, right? So now look at the example number 2 and 3 in which we have single variable. In example 2 we have a, in example 3 we have b. But look at the first example where we have x plus 3y equals to 9. We have two variables, which means we have two unknown quantities. So equations may contain more than one variable, right? It's not necessary that an equation contain only a single variable. There can be two variables or more than two variables sometimes. So this is an example of equation. Now let's see what is linear equation. Now, equations in which the variables have power 1 are called linear equations. Power of the variable must be 1. Now look at this example, 2 plus a equals to 1. I have told this in the previous unit 8 that when we have power 1, we do not generally write 1. Okay, so but it's understood that the power is 1. So here 2 plus a is equal to 5. Power of a is 1. So this is a linear equation. Now I'm going to write 2 to 3 examples and we have to identify if it is linear or not. Okay, look at these examples. We have 4 examples here. We have discussed first example. Second example is a square plus b square equals to 56. The power of a, variable a, is 2. The power of variable b is 2, and it means this is not a linear equation, right? Look at the example number 3, 8a minus 3b. Now we have the power of a and b 1, but look at the second expression here which is equal to 2c cube. Now the power of variable c here is 3, which means this expression which is written on the right side is making it non-linear equation. Got it? Look at the fourth example. We have 3 variables and each variable has power 1. So it means this is unlinear. This is a linear equation. Got it? So here from the 4 example we have first and fourth example as linear equation, second and third is not linear equation. Got it? So exercise 9a which we are going to study today is about this topic. We have to classify the examples as expressions or equations. First thing is to identify as expression or equation. Second thing is we have to identify the linear equations. Okay, exercise 9a which is on page number 95. Question is classify the examples as expressions or equation. Look at the first part, which is 9 plus t. So this is an expression, right? Why? Because we do not have any equality sign here. So this is an expression. We are not going to find whether it is linear equation or not. Second part is x minus y equals to 35. Now we have the sign of equality here. Whenever there is sign of equality, it's obvious that this is an equation. So this is an equation. Right now, if it is an equation, we have to find that whether it is linear equation or not. So for linear equation, let's see the power of variables. The power of variable x is 1, the power of variable y is 1. So this is a linear equation. Remaining parts from part number 3 to part number 10 is your homework.